Okay, if I am audible to you, then I will start. First of all, we will start that how to log in into your account and how to access your account. The first step will be guidance about your new email IDs, that how you will use these email IDs through MS Teams, and first of all how you will activate these email IDs. Student, if you can see my screen, please tell me so I can continue. Can you see screen? Students, as you can see screen, so we can continue our orientation with introduction that how to activate your email address that is given to you by Paktur Marif International Schools and Colleges. That are purchased account, you cannot sign in or you cannot use your personal Gmail or other accounts. Therefore, you have to use only this account. Okay. If screen is visible to you, then I will start with a process that how to activate your email address. Student, the site is microsoft.com and the further link is about Teams software or Microsoft Teams. Now I will start with sign in. If you see there are sign up for free, you don't have to sign up. You have to sign in because your accounts or your email ID already have been purchased by head office. Now starting with sign in. Starting with sign in, here you will use, there is someone already logged in, therefore I will use another account, and first of all I will type my email ID that have been assigned to me by school. So you have your personal email ID that have been shared with you by school, and let's say I will type one of the ID that is abid.khan at the rate pakturmarif.edu.pk। जी स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको लैंग्वेज के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम है, इशू है, तो आई विल आल्सो एक्सप्लेन इन उर्दू। तो बेटा अगेन कि आपने इस पे जाके लॉग इन करना है, आपने न्यू अकाउंट या साइन अप पे नहीं जाना, ठीक है। लेट्स से कि बच्चे का ईमेल आईडी था आबिद.खान और @pakturmarif.edu.pk। तो बेटा मैंने साइन अप नहीं किया बल्कि साइन इन ही किया है। तो आप ये नेक्स्ट के बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको पास ये वो पासवर्ड है जो आपके टीचर्स ने आपके साथ ऑलरेडी शेयर कर दी है। नाउ द पासवर्ड इज इंडिविजुअल, दैट इज डिफरेंट फॉर ईच स्टूडेंट। लेट्स से आई विल टाइप माय पासवर्ड। If password will be correct, then I can sign in into account. Now student, here you will see three boxes where you have to first you have to write your current password जो आपको आपके टीचर ने प्रोवाइड किया, आपने वो करंट पासवर्ड लिखना है। उसके बाद आपने अपना पासवर्ड सेट करना है। स्टूडेंट, पासवर्ड सेटिंग के भी रूल्स हैं, लेकिन जो आपका करंट पासवर्ड है जो टीचर ने दिया है वो सेम ही रहेगा। लेट्स से कि मेरे पास जो पासवर्ड है वो मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, उसके साथ आपने इंतहाई केयरफुली अपना पासवर्ड लिखना है और ईमेल एड्रेस। कई बच्चों के जो ईमेल एड्रेस हैं उनके जगह नेम बड़ा है तो डॉट भी हैं और डैश भी हैं। तो स्टूडेंट आपने डॉट और डैश का क्लियर ख्याल रखना है कि आपने वो कैसे मैनेज करना है। और स्टूडेंट इससे रिलेटेड आपको जितनी भी ईमेल्स होंगी वो हॉटमेल पे या आउटलुक पे आएंगी। आप आउटलुक में भी ये ईमेल अपने यूज कर सकते हो। नाउ स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर ओन पासवर्ड, लेकिन पासवर्ड क्रिएशन में आपने ये देखना है कि सबसे पहले जो आपने इसमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स भी होंगे और इसमें जो है वो नंबर्स भी होंगे। तो अल्फ़ाबेट में आपने एक जो है वो अल्फ़ाबेट जो होगा वो कैपिटल होगा, एटलीस्ट एक कैपिटल होना चाहिए। अगर आप कैपिटल नहीं डालेंगे तो बार बार आपको वो कहेगा कि आपका पासवर्ड वीक है या करेक्ट नहीं है। तो सिक्योर पासवर्ड आप लोगों ने डालना। लेट्स से कि मैं इस अकाउंट का अपना एक पासवर्ड रख रहा हूँ। आपने ये 2 दफ़ा पासवर्ड लिखना है ताकि ये कंफर्म भी हो जाए। स्टूडेंट अभी देखिए ये पासवर्ड मेरा मैच नहीं कर रहा तो वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा। इट मीन कि मैंने दोनों पासवर्ड एक जैसे नहीं रखे। लेट्स से कि मैं इसको दोबारा चेंज करके देखता हूँ। तो अभी देखेंगे इसने पासवर्ड एक्सेप्ट कर ली है। नाउ स्टूडेंट ये एक किस्म का सैंपल अकाउंट था। अब इसमें मैं नेक्स्ट में जाऊंगा तो मुझे वो दिखा देगा कि ये जो ईमेल आईडी है कि ये जो बच्ची की आईडी है इस पे कोई अकाउंट जो है वो क्रिएटेड है या नहीं है, या अकाउंट एक्टिवेट है या नहीं है। इस प्रोसेस के बाद हम जब ये हमारा एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा तो हम जो है इसको ना फर्दर एक्टिवेट करेंगे। लेट्स से कि आप अपने फ़ोन के थ्रू भी एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं या अपने ईमेल आईडी के थ्रू भी एक्टिवेट कर सकते हैं। लेट्स से कि मैं अगर अपने फ़ोन के थ्रू इसको एक्टिवेट करना चाहूँ तो दैट इज़ वेरी इजी प्रोसेस। रीजन में आपका जो है वो रीजन आपका पाकिस्तान आ जाएगा। नंबर जो आपका है वो ऐसा सच ही रहेगा। लेट्स से कि मैं अपना नंबर ऐड कर दूँ यहाँ पे। और जो बायो के स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी थ्रू दिस नंबर एज वेल, और दे कैन टेक्स्ट मी, और इफ यू हैव रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस दे कैन आस्क मी थ्रू दिस नंबर एज वेल। आप लेट्स से कि मैं कहता हूँ मुझे टेक्स्ट भेजा जाए अपना कोड, तो आई कैन दे विल सेंड मी टेक्स्ट विद इन मिनट एंड देन आई कैन एक्टिवेट my account for further procedure. They have sent me a text. Now I will put that code. Now they will verify this one, and now my account has been verified officially. Now I can use my this email ID for my classes. This was email ID of one of my students. So students, here when you have completed process they will ask you whether you want to download this Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams का जो सॉफ्टवेयर है you can easily download and then you can use it, or if you don't want to download it you can use this app, Microsoft Teams app, through web page. Let's say I will choose web page. Now let's do it. Now student, uh, got it. If you see, this will be your screen when you have activated your account, you have been logged in into your account. Now here activity is shown. If activity is visible for you, student, please write in comment if everything is okay, sound etc, screen is okay for you. You can write it in chat box as well. Okay student, if everything is okay, there is no problem, you can communicate with me. I am open, and in the end you can ask question by raising your hand. If student you cannot see my screen, you have to refresh. आप refresh करके देख लें, आपको screen visible हो जाएगी. Student, if you have not activated your account, you can follow these steps. Later recorded link of this video will be shared with you as well. Now I am moving step by step in a very easy manner, and I will discuss everything from lecture to assignment, that how you have to join your lecture, how you will submit your assignment, and how you will communicate with the teacher. Now student, if you see this there is activity. Activity mean if someone has sent you any activity or teacher has done any activity about assignment about anything. Let's say this student named Abid Khan has been added by Muhammad Wasim, Sir Muhammad Wasim in English class. Now he has got a notification like I will add you. If I will add you on biology class, then you will be able to see biology class. And if you are if Sir Faisal will add you into physics class, then you can see physics class. Let's say that Professor Muhammad Afzal has added Abid Khan into Islamiyat class, therefore he can see Islamiyat as well. Sir Muzammil has added this student into chemistry class. Now he can see chemistry as well. Now student, here is chat. If you want to have chat or even if you want to have private chat, private messages to teacher as well. Now students, now you can check your teams. Let's say if you want to check that in which subjects you have been added, you can check this as well. Let's say you will move into teams, and here in teams you can see your subject. Like this student has been added into three classes in English, Islamiyat and chemistry. Now you can check that either you have been added into classes, all classes or not. अगर बेटा आप लोग एडेड नहीं हैं क्लासेस में तो यू कैन रिक्वेस्ट योर क्लास टीचर और योर सब्जेक्ट टीचर डायरेक्टली सो he can add you into classes so you can have classes from tomorrow onwards. Okay बेटा आप लोग ये टीम्स में चेक करोगे. Here teams mean your classes. Let's say they haven't changed their name, but I will show you that what it will look like when you will enter into biology class or how teams of biology class is presented. Now student, if you want to join lecture, let's say here there are no lecture have been created in this, but you will see in the post in the activity as well. If you want to see whether teacher look two new teachers have added student into class and here classes have been appeared as a teams. Student, here teams mean your classes. Now in file section you can find every material related to your subject that have been posted by your teacher. It could be recordings of the lecture will also be available there. Let's say recording of this orientation will be available in biology class because orientation is being conducted by a biology teacher. Students, here you can see assignments if assignments have been assigned to you by teacher, or here you can see your grades that will be given to you by your teacher. Now student, if you want to see assignment as a whole, here you can see assignment as a whole. There are no assignment because student has been assigned because classes has not been started. लेकिन अगर आपको बेटा असाइनमेंट्स होंगी ना वो आपको सारी यहाँ पे शो हो जाएंगी. जो प्रीवियस सिस्टम जो पाकपुर के प्रीवियस स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे नो दैट इन LMS इंडिविजुअल असाइनमेंट्स वर शोन इन सब्जेक्ट, बट हेयर इन असाइनमेंट्स आइकॉन यू विल सी ऑल असाइनमेंट. आपको सारी असाइनमेंट यहाँ पे लाइन में शो हो जाएंगी और आपको मैं दूसरे अकाउंट के थ्रू वो शो करूँगा कि आपको कैसे शो होंगी और आपने कैसे जमा कराना है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, हेयर अगर कैलेंडर में आपको लेक्चर शो हो जाएंगे कि लेट्स से कि ट्यूसडे को कौन से लेक्चर शेड्यूल है, लेट्स से कि मंडे को 9 बजे इस चीज़ का लेक्चर है या ट्यूसडे को इस चीज़ का लेक्चर है, तो ये एवरीथिंग कुड बी सीन हेयर. इट कैन बी कंडक्टेड इजीली. देयर आर यानी नो यानी डिफिकल्ट थिंग्स, सो यू कैन इजीली यूज दिस friendly software. I will say really it is very friendly software as compared to LMS that was little bit difficult. Now student, Let's say कि here I will show you my biology account, that how it looks like. Student, ये biology की class है. Normally every student has been added, लेकिन अगर कोई biology का student class में add नहीं हुआ तो उसको मैं add कर सकता हूँ. Now students, अगर आप बायोलॉजी की क्लास में देखें तो यहाँ पे जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज मैंने की हैं एज अ कन्वर्सेशन इन पोस्ट में ये अपीयर हो चुकी हैं. इट इज वेरी क्लियर फॉर यू कि आपको पोस्ट की फॉर्म में ये सारी. लेट्स से हियर इज आवर कोऑर्डिनेटर सर बिलाल, दैट ही हैज ज्वाइंड the orientation. Now every activity that have been conducted in biology class you will see in the post, or even in activity you will get some notification. Student, let's say कि in biology class has any file being added by teacher, टीचर ने कोई फाइल शेयर की है तो मैं वो आपको दिखाता हूँ. Let's say कि in class material you can see that what thing is being done in biology class. तो स्टूडेंट, मैंने यहाँ पे एक मॉडल पेपर बच्चों के साथ शेयर किया है, दैट इज लाहौर बोर्ड मॉडल पेपर. तो स्टूडेंट, इफ यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस पेपर यू विल सी इट. लेट्स से कि अभी आपके सामने ये बड़ा क्लियर हो जाएगा कि ये जो क्लास में शेयर किया गया. स्टूडेंट लोग यहाँ पे जो है इसको आप इजीली स्टूडेंट आप नीचे से ये देखें, आप जूम इन कर सकते हैं और आप देख सकते हैं कि MCQs आर देयर, 12 MCQs, short questions are there, long questions are there. Student, for physics, chemistry and biology, paper pattern is same as in biology. So here is sample paper that have been downloaded from Lahore board. You can see this in your class 5. Let's take a student, you don't want to see it here, you want to download it. You can here see that there is option to download. When you will click on this button, you will download it and it will be available in your computer as well. Now student, if you want to close it, you can close it from here. And if you want to see that if there are assignments in your biology class or not, and you can see here from assignment, there are no assignments here, so you cannot see assignments there. Let's say that I add assignment, for example, all teacher will do same thing that I have been doing. Let's say that I add assignment 1 biology. Now it's up to me that how I will decide my points. That setting is not problematic for you. Due date will be decided by me, not by you. Let's say I will add a document related to assignment and I can upload it from my computer. It's up to me. Let's say I can add anything. So it is, don't think that it has been assigned by you, that it is for introduction. Let's say I have given assignment. Now it is available as assignment in biology. Now I have added something. What will you see? Look, there will be some activity. Look, in activity you have got notification that something has been done in your classes, and that is assignment of biology. Now if you have questions regarding this assignment, you can simply reply me here as well, and everything related to assignment will be shown here. Now if it is clear for you, now student, I will show you that being a student, how will you upload your assignment. Okay student, till now if you have any confusion, you can write in chat box so I can clarify that one as well. Student, is it everything is clear for you? Student, everything is clear for you? If a student who are present in class, they can tell me that everything is clear for you, so we can move on. Okay. Now Ahmed Bilal has said everything is clear. Now it means we can move on. and in this upcoming thing I will tell you how to upload your assignment, because you have only two things to do: either you have to attend lecture or you have to submit assignment. And these one thing is already been clear, that how will you join your meeting. Now I will tell you how. Now I will log out from this account and sign Student, sorry for interruption. There was a connectivity issue. I will continue with the same. Now, student, screen is clear for you and sound is clear for you. Now, student, if you see that I have uploaded a biology assignment and I have shown you that how it will appear, how you can access this assignment. Now, if you see, I will use another account in which I will show you how to upload your assignment. Now here I will show you, student, same thing I will repeat that you can, if you don't want to use your the software of this app, you can use this app as well. You can use this system, Microsoft Teams system through web as well. Now, student, if you see again, I will use web instead, and here I have been added in biology class. Let's say in biology class, here you can see there is a notification. It means something has been done in biology class. Let me check what have been done in biology class. Student, if you see your timetable and in timetable you see that it's biology class or it's physics class or it's chemistry class, you will simply go into post or in your calendar, and from there you can access your lecture. Let's say biology class is this orientation is being conducted and there is a join option that I have not joined orientation through this account, but here is option if I want to join this meeting or not. यहाँ से हम easily मैं इस चीज़ को डाउनलोड कर सकता हूँ, और यहाँ पे देखें ऑलमोस्ट 55 क्वेरीज जो हैं इससे रिलेटेड हैं जो मेरे लिए अनरीड हैं। अगर मैं इनको बार बार पढ़ना चाहूँ तो ये मैं इजीली यहाँ पे देख सकता हूँ कि ये डिफरेंट जो है एक क्वेश्चन जो है बच्चों ने पूछे हुए हैं, तो ये मेरे लिए इजी होगा। या स्टूडेंट, इस क्लास में मैं एज अ स्टूडेंट हूँ, वो मैं आपको कैसे दिखाऊंगा कि आपको ऐसे ही नजर आएगी बायोलॉजी की क्लास एज अ स्टूडेंट, क्योंकि मैं एक लेट्स से कि इफ यू सी आई हैव बीन also student in other classes. Let's say developmental psychology is my class, pedagogical approaches is my class, evaluation is my class, introduction to curriculum, fundamental of instruction, these are my classes. Student, if you want, let's say if it is your physics class, then you will click on this and you will see everything related to this thing. And student, if you see if you click on files, in file section you will find class material. Let's say here everything that have been shared according to this class I can access and I can download. And in recordings folder I can check recordings. Student, ये recordings होंगी लेक्चर की जो आपको एज सच ही मिल जाएंगी। आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करके इजीली इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग्स को, या देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे देखें साथ डेट भी मेंशन होगी कि ये किस दिन की और किस डेट की रिकॉर्डिंग है। ये सारी चीज़ें आपके पास एक्सेसिबल होंगी। इस सब्जेक्ट की असाइनमेंट यहाँ पे शो हो जाएंगी कि आपने कौन सी शो की हुई है। लेट्स से कि इस क्लास की कोई असाइनमेंट नहीं है जो मैंने देनी है, लेकिन मैं कंप्लीटेड में जाऊँगा तो केस स्टडी 1, केस स्टडी 2, केस स्टडी 3, 4 एंड 5 ये असाइनमेंट्स थी जो मैंने जमा करा ली हैं ऑलरेडी। लेट्स से कि मैं दूसरी क्लास में जाके देखता हूँ कि वहाँ पे लेट्स से कि इंट्रोडक्शन टू करिकुलम में मैं देखता हूँ कि मुझे क्या कमेंट मिले हुए हैं या मेरी असाइनमेंट्स क्या हैं। स्टूडेंट, इफ़ यू सी इन दिस आई विल सी दैट कोई मेरी असाइनमेंट बची हुई है या नहीं बची हुई, तो वो मुझे यहाँ पे इसलिए यहाँ पे भी मेरी कोई असाइनमेंट नहीं है। लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं देखूँ तो ये देखें मेरे 3 जो हैं वो असाइनमेंट्स ऑलरेडी जो हैं वो सबमिट हो चुकी है। मैं इन पे चेक कर सकता हूँ कि टीचर ने चेक की है या नहीं। इस पर मैं क्लिक करूँगा, वहाँ पे मुझे शो हो जाएगा कि ये नो पॉइंट्स। इट मीन कि अभी टीचर ने यहाँ पे कोई ना तो कमेंट दिए हैं या नहीं, ना ही इसमें टीचर ने अभी तक असाइनमेंट चेक की है। लेकिन लेट्स से कि मैं ये फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शनल डिज़ाइन में आके देखता हूँ कि असाइनमेंट मेरी कोई रहती है या नहीं। स्टूडेंट, एक असाइनमेंट थी डिज़ाइन रिपोर्ट की, जो मैंने नहीं जमा कराई, तो ये जहाँ पे पास ड्यू मीन कि आपकी डेट गुजर चुकी है और आपने जमा नहीं कराई। अगर मैं अब जमा कराऊंगा तो ये लेट जमा होगी। यहाँ पे मैं अगर लेट्स से कि देखना चाहूँ कि मुझे कोई टीचर ने रिपोर्ट कोई मेरी असाइनमेंट चेक की है और वेदर शी हैव बीन गिवन मी एनी रिमार्क्स, देन आई कैन चेक। then look, teacher have checked my assignment and she have given me very good remarks, but she has not decided any points of this assignment, but she have given me very good feedback. Such kind of feedback will be given to you when you will submit your assignment. And now, how to submit your assignment? Student, if you see in assignments, two assignments are there that have not been submitted. And here is biology assignment that is due tomorrow at 23:59. 100 points are there for assignment, and what will happen that I will click on this assignment, and here I will add my work. Okay, what kind of work that I've been in, I can do it, student. Keeping in mind, mostly in our section you have to upload handwritten assignments, so be careful about your work when you are doing. Let's say okay, here is my work that I have created. Now I will find where it is present. So let's say okay, here is I will search my work that in desktop I have. Let's say here is my work and I am adding it. Now student, after adding, I will say done. Students, after doing this, if you think that your assignment has been uploaded, you are wrong. Your assignment has not been uploaded, just you have added your work. If you want to send, you have to hand in. Sometimes option is turn in. Let's say if I will turn me, they will give me a gift as well, and I will turn in. Look, they have given me something. It means assignment has been turned in, has been sent to teacher. Now how I will understand that, how I will check that assignment is being added or not. For this, you have to again click to assignment. And if you will click to assignment, you see in completed assignment. And in the end, you will see that your assignment has been completed. If you want to be sure again, then you have to again go to your team. Let's say in biology team, you will see any assignment, no assignment, and in completed, you have completed one assignment. So then this is the main things that you have to do in this portal. Okay, to how to attend lecture, how to submit assignment. Now student, if I want to check that assignment that I have given to student is returned to me by student or not, then I will check my portal as a teacher. And here I will see that whether assignments have been done or not. Student, here is by assignment that I have given, and here let's say that Sayyid Adnan, Muhammad bin Adnan has not submitted, Muhammad Adnan Yahya has not submitted, Haider Ali has not submitted, nobody has submitted. Let me check anybody has submitted or not. Let's say again not returned. If somebody will submit me, then I will check it by name as well. Let's say if I check, let here only one student Ziaullah Khan has submitted me assignment, and here I will give him feedback that good or excellent. If it depends on me what kind of comments I will give. Now student, if you have, and after that I will return. Student, if you have any question, you can ask me now, because we are done with introduction to this MS Teams and its related issues. If you have any question, you can raise your hand. जी Students, if you have any question, you can ask in chat box, or you can raise your hand and I can allow you to speak. जी. बाकी बच्चों को स्टूडेंट आप लोग चेक कर लें कि आप लोगों के सब्जेक्ट सारे ऐड हो चुके हैं या नहीं. अगर आप लोगों के बेटा सब्जेक्ट्स ऐड नहीं हैं तो आप जो है ना वो क्लासेस नहीं ले सकते. ठीक है. अगर आप बेटा आप अपने दोस्तों से पूछ लो, जिन लोगों को ऐड नहीं किया गया वो बता दें कि उनको ऐड नहीं किया गया, उनको ऐड भी किया जा सकता है. और जिन लोगों को जो है वो शो नहीं हो रही टीम्स जो हैं वो उससे रिलेटेड भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. प्लस ये कि स्टूडेंट इसमें एक और बात कि आप लोगों को पता है आपके टोटल 8 सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे. ठीक है. 8 सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे. फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री, इस्लामियात, मैथमेटिक्स, इंग्लिश, उर्दू, इस्लामियात, पाक स्टडी एंड कंप्यूटर साइंस. स्टूडेंट, we will share schedule with you, we will share a timetable with you, and you will take classes according to timetable. Now student, agar still you have any confusion in selecting subject, because you have option between biology and computer, you don't have any option in other subjects because all other subjects are compulsory, and there is option between computer and biology, and it depends on you that whether you want to study biology or computer. Now again if you have any question. Okay. Humail Tawfiq is not being added into mathematics and Park study. I hope relevant teachers are there and they will add you as soon as possible. And even at the same time, Ahmed Bilal is not being added in English and Park study class, and inshallah he will be added. Student, if you have any question regarding metric or anything, you can ask. Okay. Uzair Tahir is not being added into PST and chemistry. Relevant teacher will add you soon. They are in orientation. They are also reading your comments and they will answer you. Okay. Haris Irfan is not being added into PST and computer. Student, we are also waiting for other comments if you want to. If any student have problem, they can write it here. We will solve it. Student, इस सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग भी अवेलेबल होगी, और इसके बाद भी आपको कोई बेटा प्रॉब्लम हो तो हमने ऑलरेडी एक ट्यूटोरियल भी प्रिपेयर किया हुआ है. वी विल शेयर इट विद यू. यू विल मेक इट very friendly. We will make this software very friendly for you, and inshallah hope you will be happy in matrix section. We have a lot of surprises for you when you will return to campus, and we are planning a lot of activities and projects etc. for you, and this year will be really amazing for you in our section. Student, you are again asking for schedule. Schedule will be prepared today and it will be shared with you. You will have proper classes. Okay. Again, somebody is not being added in PST and math, and I think relevant teacher are there. They will add you. Student, this year we have submitted a lot of projects for Technofest, and we are hopeful that we will have a lot of selection in our projects. And this year, inshallah, we will do the same thing with you. And if you have some innovative ideas, some innovative thinkings, some really inventory material, then we can make very good projects. And we are planning different trips as well from within the city and out of the city as well. And at the same time, we will do different weeks, science week, arts week as well, and different science quiz competitions, project competitions at school level as well. Ji student, I am waiting for your questions. At the same time, other teachers are replying you that if you have any questions, you can share here. We are here for you, and we will cooperate with you. These online classes will not be boring classes. These will be very interactive and activity based classes that you will really enjoy these classes in Ramadan, inshallah.